Hey, beautiful moms and food lovers. Welcome to Zariana's Kitchen Creations, where we turn simple ingredients into delicious meals that nourish both you and your little one. Today, we will be making country fried steak with mushroom and onion gravy. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a
We're
new
starting with a
recipe.
baked potato. Make sure to wash it first. They are a great source of vitamin C for skin health and collagen production. I'm cutting the potato in half, adding sea salt and melted butter in the bottom of the pan. I usually use olive oil, but I don't have any today. Potatoes also provide vitamin B for brain function, help convert carbs into energy that will definitely be needed while breastfeeding, and are high in potassium for hydration and fiber to prevent constipation, especially postpartum. Now let's bake the potatoes at 450 on broil. Now let's start prepping the gravy. I'm using red onions because they're nutrient dense and low in calories, packed with vitamin C, which you are going to hear me say a lot because it is vital for postpartum recovery. First, I'll slice and finely dice the onions so they blend smoothly into the gravy. Red onions also support lactation and promote good blood flow while breastfeeding your little one. Just be mindful of how much onions you use, as they can cause gas and discomfort for your little one. They also help fight infections for both you and your baby. Next, let's slice and dice the mushrooms. They're rich in vitamin B, which supports your baby's brain and nervous system development. Vitamin D helps calcium absorption for strong bones for both mom and baby. They provide antibodies for baby to fight infections and support a healthy gut while promoting healthy weight during nursing. We are now going to prepare the batter for the steaks to be floured in for them to fry crispy. I'm adding in a Ziploc bag to make flouring and cleanup easier. First, I add plain flour with black pepper and seasoned salt, then shake it up. First, rinse and pat dry the steaks. Then I season them with black pepper, seasoned salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Cube steaks are a high-quality protein that helps with muscle repair during postpartum recovery. They're packed with healthy fats, including vitamins A, B, D, E, and K, which support rich breast milk production. They also provide iron and zinc, boosting immune health for both you and your baby. Once seasoned, place the steaks in a Ziploc bag to batter and let them sit for 5 minutes before frying. I know it may seem the video is a little fast. Next video I make, I'm going to slow it down. Just be patient with me. I am new to this. Feel free to drop in the comments some things I work on or even some requests of different meals to make. Make sure the grease is hot before adding the steaks. You can test this by sprinkling a little flour in the pan. When it starts to sizzle, you're good to go. Drop the steaks in and they should start frying immediately. You want them crispy and dark golden brown in color. It may take 2-3 flips to get them just right. After frying the steaks, carefully drain most of the oil in a separate pan, leaving just a little in the bottom of the pan from frying the steaks. You want the fried flour that fell off the steak when frying them. Keep the heat high as you begin this step, then add the diced onions and mushrooms, letting them cook until soft and golden. Once done, reduce the heat to medium. Next, add the leftover flour from the Ziploc bag. I use a whisk to avoid lumps. I can't stand lumps in my gravy, but if you don't have one, stir well and add the flour gradually. Slowly add water a little at a time, stirring constantly until you reach your desired texture. I like my gravy thick, but adjust it to your preference. Taste as you go, and adjust the seasoning as needed since the flour and water can make the gravy bland. If it's too thin, add more flour. If it's too thick, add more water. Just keep stirring, tasting, and tweaking until it's perfect to your liking. If you are still watching, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. As a first-time mom, I know how important it is to fuel your body with the right nutrients, especially when breastfeeding. That's why I'm here to share breastfeeding-friendly recipes packed with vitamins, minerals, and all the goodness to support your milk supply and overall health. Now that my gravy is at the perfect texture, nice and thick, it's time to add the crispy steaks. Place them into the gravy and let them simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once they're ready, it's time to plate up some delicious country fried steak smothered in mushroom and onion gravy. Pair it with a side of green beans, mixed vegetables, and a baked potato loaded with bacon bits, cheese, chives, and sour cream. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new dishes. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what recipes you'd like to see next. Let's make mealtime nutritious, delicious, and stress-free, one recipe at a time. See you in the next video.